Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft Edge has received an update, and it seems of late when Microsoft is pushing out updates to the browser that they are not updating the changelog and the release notes when the update rolls out. They seem to update the release notes and push out the release notes a couple of hours after the update has arrived, and I'm noticing this pattern starting to form with recent Edge updates. But nonetheless, the browser has received a point release, so the version and build is now sitting on 135.0.3179.66 after this update has been applied. Now, because there are no release notes, I'm just going to make a couple of suggestions what I think this update is bringing to the table. Now, Google Chrome has just received the weekly security fixes, and there were no 0 days or critical vulnerabilities, so I'm suggesting that this is a non-security bug fix update, because Microsoft Edge normally gets its security fixes right at the end of the week. And today we find ourselves in the middle of the week in my part of the world. So I'm going to suggest that this is a bug and performance issue fix that's once again rolled out, because those are common. Microsoft pushes out those bug and performance fixes literally on a weekly basis, as you may well know if you have viewed this channel for some time. And once again, if anything changes drastically to what I've mentioned in this video, I'll repost and keep you guys in the loop. But if you are using Edge, just want to make you aware that there is a point release update. So be it a security update, which I don't think it is, or be it a bug fix update, just double check your browser's up to date to patch it, because obviously that has been pushed out for a given reason. And I have had a quick look around the browser. I'm not noticing any new front-facing tweaks or adjustments that the update has included. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.